Yeah, my beautiful people, it's one wassy bless, you know. And you know we're there with Addington. And you know we're going to Addington tomorrow. Elephant Man and Jada Kingdom tomorrow, right? Yes, sir. So, see the interchange there where you can get the train, the tram are coming from Croydon. You can get connection from Wimbledon. You can get connection from about Beckenham. When you come to the tram, lots of connection. You see me, bus, you can get bus from Tartanite, you can get bus from Beckenham, Croydon, you can get bus from Upper Bramley, Catford come in. So when I tram I pass now. Wait. Yeah. So yeah, see tram I come in New Addington. So this is the New Addington village. Yeah, so yeah. So the tram they are rolling. Yeah man. And it come right there so. And it go further out still out there so, but terminate couple stop up the road. But yes, what they mean the interchange. See? So it's not hard to come. If you know a drive, you can come in from Croydon side, you can come in from Bramley, you can come in from Beckenham, Lewisham side and Crystal Palace, Annally Hill. You can come in from the whole of them part there. You see me I say? And let's see a little while go on. We can't pick up nothing over there. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it clear, but over there so. You see me? One energy God, I mash up over there so tomorrow. See another tram there leave again. So right here so my people, right here so. One Elephant Man. I don't know a thing go. Yeah. So I want to walk up the see if I can get a little peek in from Wagwan. On the staging. I think them have fix up the staging at the minute. So we are going to go in and see what go on with that. So yeah. Yeah man, so right here so, over Addington. Yeah, so energy God over here so tomorrow. Me can't miss that. You mean, thing of chattings. Yeah man, see a part of the staging there now. So I don't know if you can see the staging. Yeah so, bring it in, yeah. So see part of the staging there. Yeah man. See Jamaican flag them they are wheel round right there so. Yeah, right there so. So yeah, big up energy God, Jada Kingdom. I'll do one of them there upon the Sunday. Get on the ticket, get on the ticket, get on the ticket. Yeah man. Bring it out back a little bit. So yeah, one energy God. You know. So as I say, that place is not hard to get to. If you drive, you can come. I don't know if parking is available. But if you drive Crystal Palace and just come straight across Annally Hill, come across thing of South Norwood and come across or Beckenham and Ashburton Park, or this come and come up. Yeah, or you come down from Bramley the same way. Can't miss a sat-nav run the world. I'm out there, you know. We got bus from Tartanite, Bramley, Croydon. See 130 and the bus you go all the way Tartanite, Tesco. That's where the bus you go. Tartanite, Tesco. So you can jump on that. See man them on the stage in there. I fix up the stage in them. Yeah man. Yeah, so I'm looking forward for a little vibe. Because I know Elephant Man, them man, they are vibe man. And them man, they are going to shut it down. No joke. Yeah, man. So over there, so over there, so yeah. So man, them a fix up the thing. We don't know if we can park. If we can park, that's what good. But it look like I saw the parking area still. So Addington Park. Alright, yes sir. Yeah, Croydon. This is it. Let me zoom me out. You can see it. Yeah, Addington Park, Croydon. So alright, yes sir, you see it. Yeah. Yeah man, so the big show over here, so the big show there tomorrow. One elephant man. The energy god there. So look like the show that Vanessa bling. So yeah. Yeah, my paper check in. So this is our the big show tomorrow. So make sure you don't get on a ticket. You know, say Elephant Man and mash up a place tomorrow. Jada Kingdom and Vanessa Bling. Yeah man. Make sure you don't get on a ticket. Trouble. I see enough dance before, but I never seen a dance like this. One Elephant Man and mash up a place tomorrow, so get on a ticket. See if they will let me in. Have a look in for a wagwan. Park and everything. We have a look for a wagwan. See if we see wagwan in here. Yeah, so right in here, so Elephant Man there tomorrow, enjoy the Kingdom. So then the moment then they are fix up the stage still. You see it. See if we can peek in and see what going on. One was bless. See if we can have a peek in and see what going on. Yeah man, so see it there. They might fix up the stage and thing. In a big door, massive. Yeah man. See it there. See them big tractors sitting there. Yeah man, so you don't know. Alright, yeah, so earlier there tomorrow. Yeah man, ambulance, every safety method, everything there. Mobile CCTV units. Toilet if you don't want piss. You don't know the thing go. Medical staff there up on the ground, security staff there. See Jamaica corner them there down there so. See the flag down there so the cooking and the dissing and all that are going. So yeah. Everything gone good. Yeah man, so it's like some man must start seasoning up some jerk chicken or something, you know the badness go. So this are the staging. So we're gonna go on. You see it. So yeah man. Music line up already. Everything bless. One energy god tomorrow, right? Yeah, so. Yeah man. Right, yeah, so you know. See. My picture quality no wonderful still. I love that. I will get a different phone. But yeah, so Elephant Man I got trampled down. You see it. One Elephant Man pan a thing. Yeah man. So this are the staging my people. Where Elephant Man I got trampled down tomorrow. So yeah man, so that I go on. So them I do the roofing now. So then I'm gonna put up the roof up on there. Alright, up there, so. That's it. Yeah, man. So yeah, my people, as I say, I have some Elephant Man there tomorrow. So get on a ticket. You don't know. Me are promoting things, even though you don't know me. Me Anthony Bryan, I'm a Elephant Man Bryan, but so things they don't know me. That's why I give him a free promotion. Elephant Man there tomorrow. Yeah. Make sure you fix it up strong, you know, because Elephant Man love to jump. Yeah, man. So yeah, it seems strong enough. Make sure it's firm and strong, because you don't know Ellie love to jump around. This a go on from water go on, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Go on. So I'm gonna get on a ticket, cause right, just Elephant Man, I mash this up tomorrow. No joke. That's it. Yeah, man. You know we're there tomorrow, so the thing's set in it. Yeah. So yeah, so the badness there tomorrow. One Ellie and Jada Kingdom. Come on, them I put up the stage. Yeah. Wow. See that? So you look at the roof bit there, then go and drop the roof bit there up on there. That. Go on in it. Mad. Bad, you know? Yeah. Never really turn up and see them put up a stage yet still. I hope them Billy Trunk I really love to jump up and down. Yeah, man. So down there saw the food corner now. Go down there go see what I go on. So down there saw the food in there. So around other part here so now. Yeah, so I take it to me by I'm supposed to come right at the stage right here, so you see it. But yeah, man, nice round here. Big old places can hold one whole heap of people. Yeah, man, so the thing set. Alright, we go down on the part here now. Let's see what I go on down the Jamaican part. You know, anyway, I see my Jamaican color, I have to visit, see what I go on and what I go on. I don't know, so the thing set. Get the big show ready. Well, so you know a lot it takes still, you know, to put an event together, you know. A lot and lots of things, brethren. So big up to the promoter them, you know, promote them thing, yeah. So I'm only want to get people if you know watch that, because a whole heap it takes still. You can see that on the building up of the staging and them things, then you can see say a whole heap it takes still. Yeah, zoom it up. So then I'm going to put up the roof and it look like up on there, so. And that energy gather mash up on tomorrow. See them I lean up the nether one, you know. Yeah. See? Yeah. I'm going with things, yeah. Yeah, man. Zoom it back in a little bit. See what I got. Yeah. So down here, so now you know I think go. Anyway, you see the Jamaican flag we have to represent. So I down here. See it? So we're down here, so you see it. So this is a Mackie Jerk shop. Yeah, boneless chicken flavor. You don't know. Yeah, man. So you don't know all of them pan you go light up tomorrow. Beer steamings, man. Them I get the thing them ready. Beer things in the morning. Every jerk pan I light up, jerk chicken, everything, man. Them I get prepare up, you know. So everything stays. So you know you come here. So tomorrow, beer food. You see me, jerk chicken is a must. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, so this is a food corner. You know, anywhere we see Jamaican flag, we have to represent, you know. See them big stove and them big pot, yeah? Bloody hell, trouble. You don't know a thing, go. Yes, brother. Cool, man. Yeah, man. So, jerk pan, I get ready up. Beer things. Make sure to get on a ticket in a elephant, man, and mash up that tomorrow. Yeah, you see it? See there? Man, them are ready up to thing them for tomorrow. No joke. You see that? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. So, moment them I get the food ready. Yeah. General, they are line up in jerk pan them for tomorrow. Don't know. For real. Jerk pan look brand new. No chicken, no bun in them yet. Brand new thing. See it there? For real. It's all good. Boss over there, so I peel up in carrot them, I get them ready. Beer things tomorrow, you don't know a thing. You see it? Some big generator here, push some power. Yeah, man. One was bless, you know, you go. For real. Yeah, man. It's a good look, elephant man. I mash this down tomorrow. You don't know Jada Kingdom as well. I think you got some DJ and rotation, some selector there for rotation tomorrow. Go and beat some tune. And that's how the thing go. You know we are there for early out. Check in and see what I go on. You don't know. Yeah, man. You see it. But it's a good look. Andrew Wellness take a read out of them, a page out of them on your book. The medical staff, they are security staff, they are wait any accident and jump on it. You see it. And that's how the thing go. The people them are rolling. You see it. So I don't know me peep elephant man over here. So tomorrow, as I said, the stage where energy God go trample down tomorrow. You don't know a thing go. Yeah. For real. Yeah, man. I like the settings are over big and massive. Yeah, man. Mad thing. So anyway, I can go to my yard. Good thing about it, I don't live too far from here, so you see it. Yeah, man, so the thing I go on there. I don't know if no parking over here tomorrow though, that's the thing. But there must come, I gotta be parking somewhere still. So I need to know if no parking I got there over here. Blessed, are you so a parking lot for tomorrow? Or you can't park, or no parking now available, you know? For the show. Eh? Yeah. Because so in Korea normally they have a parking somewhere still. But I don't know if I'm outside there, so they're going to allow people to park. Hey, that's the thing. Yeah, we have to go find out. You see it. Alright. Yeah man, so you don't know one elephant man. I mash that up. See it there? See the big show they get on a ticket. I don't know. Tomorrow Elephant Man, Jada Kingdom, Vanessa Bling. I don't see Diddy I do on here still. Let me see if I am this round here so yes, I see I do on here. So I think this is on the 17th. You have Aldonia, Idonia and Vanessa Bling. She did that Brixton last night, I think. So yeah, so them is Sunday on the 17th. Yeah man. And I think I swear me sister and they say boom boom and go over here too. And then for tomorrow now you have Elephant Man and Jada Kingdom for tomorrow. I don't know, yeah, you have Elephant Man and Jada Kingdom for tomorrow. And Vanessa Bling. And I'll do one here for Sunday. So a big thing I go on over here and it's hard to find me people. You see me? Yeah. Bus run from Croydon, from Tartanite, from Penge, from Bramley. You have the tram run from literally everywhere. You can't miss. Yeah man. A big thing tomorrow. Don't know the badness go. Yeah man, so yeah. Go on with that, go on. So we are so busy tomorrow. Yeah man, see stage in there again. So go on. Big place man. Big place. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You see me? Yeah man. So yeah, I don't know what thing go. Alright. I'm out.